All right, day 3 of trying to build a SaaS factory using OpenClaw agents. Hopping into Anthropic dashboard where we have our models and our billing. We are cooking, spending a ton of tokens here, over $100 per day, which is absolutely brutal. $106, $87 for the first day, and on the third day we're already at $67. Hopping over to the usage, token usage. So this is the real telling story. Total tokens in, 266 million. Total tokens out, 1.5 million. So that is the big issue in the discrepancy. So I've done a lot of research and watched some videos on reducing that. We're using Opus for our top level agents, Sonnet for our other agents, and Haiku for some other things. So move to Haiku for the heartbeat. The heartbeat is really the problem. So we moved to a system where we are, our heartbeat system is running every 20 minutes instead of every half hour, and every agent is doing a heartbeat check-in. So that is a big issue, and that obviously costs a lot of tokens. So I moved to 20 minutes, which actually will increase token burn, but I reduced the hours from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. For our kind of our working hours. And I think it's going to be, obviously the goal of agents are to work 24/7, but I think for now, at least for the first couple weeks, I need to oversee them and need to get their daily check-ins or get their hourly check-ins to make sure that they're working correctly, because turning into a hot mess right now. Have hourly cron jobs for backups, dailies. I don't have a ton of hourly jobs running outside of that. There is a compaction monitor running as well. Yes, let's see what else we have. So hopping into Slack. So he's giving me my hourly updates, and we're having an issue with the SEO article writer, Quill, outputting their work and getting it done. So I'll give a rating on how my agents are doing overall and how I feel about them. But the first most important thing is getting our token burn down to something a little bit more under control. So did some things around that. I did have to hop into Cursor for getting the agents to upload to Notion in a reliable manner. They present their work, and a lot of times they'll save it as a local file in their agent directory, but I need that duplicated into Notion as well. And they weren't really following the instructions, so I went over to Cursor, and I had Cursor kind of build a more deterministic model for how they should be uploading into Notion. So I think that's in place. That's being built now. You can see Cursor is working through that. And so when Cursor finishes their development here, it'll restart the system, and hopefully that'll be taken care of. Yesterday we had the system go down in general, where something happened. The system crashed and it did not recover. So in Cursor, I built a watchdog that monitors the running processes to make sure the OpenClaw instance is up and running. And if it detects that it's down, it's going to wait 60 seconds, and then it'll get it up and booted again, and it'll write to a log so it could be some troubleshooting that can take place there. Totally unrelated, we had the cleaners in the house today. They hit the power strip for the Mac Mini, and the Mac Mini doesn't have a keyboard or a mouse paired to it. I'm using Universal Control for it, which is a Mac feature that allows me to use my main MacBook Pro to drag my mouse over to the Mac Mini screen, and that only works when you're logged in. So, and I didn't have a wired keyboard or a keyboard paired to the Mac Mini, so I had to run around and deal with that, but it's all fine. As far as my agents go in terms of their quality, so my best one is Nexus. They're the most proactive. They haven't done anything really yet. They're the link building specialists. They're the ones who are going to be doing outreach, direct outreach, when I give them an email address to people for trying to build backlinks to our articles. And they did a great job at creating this document, which is the email template of our outreach and editorial requests. It's just it reads as very generic and definitely we've all received these emails before if you're a site owner. Broken link outreach, guest post pitch, SaaS directory submission. So they're fine. I think at volume it'll work well enough for our needs, and obviously this is just a starting point that we could refine on. So I do think Nexus is one of our better ones. In fact, they surprised me. I was having a conversation with Atlas, the agency director, and our keyword strategist around what keywords we're going to prioritize, and we're going to deprioritize kind of WordPress keywords because it's kind of saturated. And Nexus just proactively reached out that they had a conversation with those two, and that they're adjusting the outreach targets to deprioritize WordPress directory. So super impressed with Nexus and their performance. Cipher is also crushing it. Cipher is the technical SEO analyst. Not only did they build a new sitemap out, get that uploaded into Google Search Console, but they used Google PageSpeed Insights to diagnose that on mobile our homepage had like a really low performance score, and they were able to make changes, upload to GitHub, and then use GitHub scripts, which I didn't even have defined for that repository, to publish to the live website. And the performance increased by like 40 points on Google Search Console. So super happy with Cipher, super happy with Nexus. Scout, our keyword strategist, really good. The problem with Scout is that they're not using the Notion upload, and this is what prompted me to have Cursor write the script or update the agent instructions, the tool usage, and everything else to make it a little bit more deterministic rather than subjective for whether they need to upload to Notion or not. So hoping that improves things. So those are my top agents. The middle ones are, Maven's one of them. They're the SEO project manager. I'm not really too thrilled with them because we have Atlas, the SEO agency director. I think Maven, the project manager, is kind of redundant. I've been dealing with Atlas mostly. So the project manager is supposed to keep everyone going, and they're already having people like Quill overdue, and they're missing tasks. So they have one job, which is to keep things moving, and they're not doing great. Said Scout, outstanding execution, 7 minutes, comprehensive backlink analysis, exceptional speed. Yes, totally happy there. But I don't think Maven was the reason why they got that done. Mid-tier, Atlas and Super. Super is, there's some issues. We tried to use Kimi, the NVIDIA model, but that, because of key issues, wasn't able to get that working. And it's hard to troubleshoot issues like that on the back end through a chat interface. So that's why I rely on Cursor for a lot of those items. So I just moved to Haiku for that. So anything's going to be better than Sonnet or Opus cost-wise. Kimi is not something we're going to use just yet. And low quality is Quill. They dropping the ball. I don't know why. So this is their last message. It's an hour later, and they're still not done everything. They're the writer. They're the person who's doing the actual output. And up until now, the only person who's actually produced output that's not just burning tokens is Cipher for the website updates that they made and the Google Search Console enhancements that they made. The only other person who's really supposed to be putting out content right now or producing content is Quill, who's our writer, and they're just dropping the ball. They're not getting anything done. So I'm going to troubleshoot that today. And Prism's our art director. I think there's going to need a lot of configuration around this. They need to, obviously not produce content that looks like it's obvious AI, but also need to be able to review existing content that is output. We'll use probably an OpenAI vision model for that. So give that director some eyes. But I've done that before and it hasn't been great. So we'll see. See how that goes. Yeah, that's it. Really messy today. Tons of spend, unsustainable spend, but hopefully by next week, over the weekend, I will get some things cleaned up and optimized through Cursor. And yeah, we'll get some output going. Stay tuned.